welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up a watch list for a favorite cryptocurrency in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet application on a device and log in using your credential. After that, go to the Market tab, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. From here, browse through the list of available cryptocurrency to find your favorite. You can also use the search function to quickly locate specific coins. Once you find a cryptocurrency you want to add to your watch list, click on the cryptocurrency. And you will see a star icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and it will be added to your watch list. After adding cryptocurrency, you can view your watch list. Now, go back from the section. After that, look for an option naming watch list. After adding cryptocurrency, you can view your watch list. Look for a section by section. From the watch list section, you can easily track the price and market data for a favorite cryptocurrency. You may also have option to remove cryptocurrency from a watch list to rearrange the order. Simply slide the cryptocurrency towards left and you will see a cross star on the red background. Tap on it and it will be removed from your watch list. So that is how you can set up a watch list for your favorite cryptocurrency in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.